up, kids? I'm back with another video. I know I haven't been posting in a long time, but so right here is my cousin. What's your name?
Tony Garrett.
And today we're gonna be doing a slime video. Y'all see we got our little bows. Got his bow, got my bow. I got some pink slime. Show your slime.
I got some blue slime.
Yep, today we're gonna do a slime video for you guys because I know I haven't been here for a long time. So you know, I'm just gonna crack this open. And you gonna open yours? So yeah, we're gonna be up here making slime video. Got our bows. Here you go. Let's go back to them. Let them show you. We're gonna show y'all how this all our slime turn out. Period. On what? So let me get my ears, my hair real quick. Yes. So grab your slime tone. So yeah, we're gonna start pouring our slime into the bowl.
It's not for me.
Right. So we're gonna put our slime things to the middle. You got blue. I wish y'all can see mine, but it's like pink. Oh, y'all can see it. Okay. Mine's pink. Next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna put some washing detergent in it.
Sure do.
So yeah, hold on 1 second. Okay. Pour some in here. Pour some in mine. Smell good, don't it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We got the lime detergent. Next thing we gonna grab is our pencils, cause you know we ain't got time to waste no spoons. And we gonna stir it up.
Mine's sticky.
I haven't been posting, but I'm gonna start posting back. Tell me what y'all want, like not next, like, comment, and subscribe. Before we get any further, tell them go like our video. Tell them like our video.
Like our video.
Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Comment.
Comment.
Tell them what they want us to do next.
And just want to do next.
Yeah. So I've been missing the action, but let me inspire my hair. Almost. So yeah, making our slime. Making some slime. Let me see. Let me help you.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, let me show y'all my nails. They glow in the dark.
You glow in the dark?
Yep. Give him his slime back. If I can show him.
It's sticky.
Oh yeah.
I don't have no more.
You gotta keep strong it. Keep strong. Keep strong. So yeah. What you been up to, Tom? How was school going? What color was you on?
Blue.
He was on blue? That's good. Keep strong. Told you. You like making slime?
Because slime is so fun. Is it? And you play with it, and you get done. You get done. And you
see my nails on, and I just don't want to do it, so I'm just going to tilt mine a little bit. Okay.
It's sticky.
But today I wanted to make a video because I haven't made a video in a long time, and I have my special little cousin here, so we just decided to do a slime video for you guys. So I want y'all to like, comment, subscribe, comment more things you want me to do, and yes, back on it. I'm trying to get back on my stuff, period. Let me see. You mix mine up, and I'm gonna make sure it's
Okay. Yours is kind of short. Mine don't have that.
Let me help him out some, y'all.
There's no more. Maybe okay.
Hold on, wait, Tom. Take your pencil. What?
Oh, yeah. I messed up, isn't it? Huh? Yeah, I got some for you. Hey guys, this is coming away. Press that like button.
Press my like button like that. How many likes do you think we should get?
35. What you get?
How many likes? Yeah, I think we should get.
20.
I think we should get
100.
Yeah. And how many comments?
100 comments.
So 100 comments?
Yeah.
I think the same.
Yeah. I think the same too.
How many subscribers do you think we should gain? 400.
Yeah.
I think we should gain 400 subscribers.
Me too. good at this.
We'll be back when the slime is all better and done. Tell them peace.
Peace.
Right now.
Right now.
Bye, you guys. We back.
Yep.
So we have to go put some more stuff in our slime.
Yeah.
And we're not done yet, but we added more.
Yeah.
So we just gotta stir it up.
Yep. For y'all to watch this video.
So for y'all watching this video, y'all better like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.
And my channel too.
So yeah. Dish soap?
So,
Yep. So my contestant will be back after I hook up his slime.
got the soap. Here's the soap.
No, the dish soap.
Oh, yeah. Different?
No, out the kitchen towel.
Oh, I'm yeah, what? This? We'll put it out for you. Here's my slime. Oh.
I'll put this back.
Okay.
Look at my slime. Look at my slime. Well, I guess we traded. You can say that because he wanted to work on my slime. And blue is my favorite color, so.
I don't know where to get the. Oh, there you go. Here's the slime. Wait.
Stir it up, stir it up, stir it up. Type it in. Show them what you're doing.
I'm one.
So, whipping up some slime. Whipping up some slime.
Mix it up.
So, yeah. Bro, I don't know what my hand is just not thinking. But, like, yeah. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. There will be more videos with me and Tony. You want to tell? You want to do another video? I'm going to start posting. I'm going to start back posting. Because, like, yes, I need to get back into it. It's posting.
Josh here.
I know.
Want me to get the door?
If you come in.
Okay. If there's I can right back.
We gonna make some. We whipping up some slime. We whipping up some slime. We whipping up some slime.
And just go check a video on his tablet. Josh coming.
It's forming. It's forming. And then this gonna be some cute ass slime.
He will be ski.
Hand me that.
Give you a slime back.
Hand me that. So I can pour some in my phone.
Okay. I'm gonna pour some. Maybe you have to.
Come in the camera. You gotta pour it in the camera. Pour it. Show them what you're doing. Okay? That's enough. Okay? Put Sit it up there. Go sit on the table. Go sit on the table. On the table, toe.
Okay, it's on the table.
No, on the table.
This, oh, yeah, table. Yeah. Over here?
Yeah.
Oh, yes. Your mommy here.
Here.
Thanks.
Stir it all the way up.
Your mommy here.
She is?
Yep. I just saw her in the car. You see it? I'm going. I'm going now.
My slime is turning.
My slime is turning. I have you work like a bell, and what's that like button?
Press it. Press our video, like our video, comment and subscribe to my channel. And with me more videos coming soon. See, I'm gonna post videos every Tuesday and Wednesday.
Liz.
Tuesday and Wednesday, cause I'll be busy out the week. So I'm sorry, you guys, if you guys expect my video. But I've been busy.
Sweet.
Sweet. It's Josh. And you're sweet.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Mine is turning. Yeah, I'm done. Why are you still not turning? I need help, David.
You need help?
Yeah. Is yours done?
No. I need help, you know.
Okay. Two. Get your pencil back. Yours done. Josh, you see him? Put your pencil back.
Yeah, when I'm done, Tony. When I'm done.
Okay. I don't do that. I'm not doing this. Why is it sticky? It's very slow, isn't it? You done yet?
It's not done.
I heard that thing. Oh, your hand's sticky now. And how your nails gonna glow up? With the blue nail? Mommy! I'm done with doing my homework.
My hands are so icky.
Yeah, it sure is. Kind of sticky, is it?
Yeah.
Sticky and licky. Yeah, I think you should wash your hands. Oh, now you got blue nails.
Let me go.
The nail is blue now. Okay, but your nail is blue. How your nails get blue? Oh.
Here, cut the video. We'll be back once again.
Yep.
Stop it. Stop it. Press the red one.